Good morning, John.
Morning, Anna. Are you ready for school?
Almost. I need to pack my school bag.
Me too. Let's do it together.
Great idea. What should I pack first?
Books, of course.
Right, math book first.
I can't find my math book.
It's under your chair.
Oh, you're right. Found it.
Now, English book.
Got it. And your English book?
Here it is, next to my notebook.
Do you need your art book today?
Yes, we have art class.
Lucky. I love art class.
Me too. I'll bring my color pencils.
Oh no. I broke my blue pencil yesterday.
I have 2 blues. You can use one.
Really? Thanks, Anna.
No problem, John.
What else do we need?
A ruler, I think.
Mine is missing again.
You always lose it.
I know. Maybe it's hiding?
Rulers don't hide.
This one does.
You're funny, John.
Thanks. I try.
Found my ruler. Do you want to borrow it?
No, wait. I found mine in my pencil case.
Good. Now eraser.
Oh, yes, I need that too.
Check your desk.
Nope, not here.
In your drawer?
Oh, there it is.
Great. We're getting faster.
We're a good team.
Yes, team school bag.
Haha, best team ever.
What about your lunchbox?
I forgot to pack it.
John, you'll be hungry again.
I always am.
Go get it from the kitchen.
Okay, be right back.
Hurry up or we'll be late.
I'm back. Got my lunchbox.
What's inside?
Sandwich, apple, and juice.
Yum, I have cookies.
Cookies? You're so lucky.
Maybe I'll share.
Maybe.
If you carry my bag.
Deal.
You said yes too fast.
Cookies are worth it.
True. Now, what about homework?
Oh no, homework.
Don't tell me you forgot again.
I didn't forget. I just can't find it.
That's the same thing.
No, it's temporarily lost.
You're unbelievable.
Wait, here it is, under my comic book.
Saved again.
I'm a professional finder.
Sure you are.
What else goes in the bag?
Water bottle.
Right. Staying hydrated is important.
You sound like our teacher.
Thank you, Miss Anna.
Stop that.
Okay.
Did you pack your crayons?
Oh no, I forgot again.
They're on the shelf.
Got them. My bag is getting heavy.
That means you're ready.
My shoulders say no.
You'll be fine, strong boy.
Haha, I'll try.
Don't forget your homework folder.
I already put it in.
Wow, you're improving.
Thanks. I'm learning from you.
I'm a good teacher.
And I'm a good student.
Together, we're perfect.
Team Perfect Bags.
I like that name better.
Okay, Team Perfect Bags it is.
Wait, did you pack your ID card?
Oh no, I forgot again.
Check your desk drawer.
Found it. You're like a detective.
Detective Anna saves the day.
Always.
Do you have your lunch money?
Yup, in my wallet.
Great, then we're almost ready.
Wait, where's my hat?
On your head.
Oh, I didn't notice.
You're so funny.
Thank you.
Time to zip the bag.
Done. My bag is full.
Let's see. Books, pencils, lunch, water.
And homework. Don't forget that.
Perfect. You passed the test.
Do I get a cookie now?
Maybe.
Please?
Okay, just one.
Best morning ever.
Wait, don't forget your jacket.
It's warm outside.
But it might rain.
Then I'll run fast.
You always say that.
And it always works.
We'll see.
Are you ready now?
Yes, let's go to school.
Finally. Let's race to the bus stop.
You'll lose.
We'll see.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wait, my bag is heavy.
That's your problem.
Haha, you're too fast.
I told you.
I need a lighter bag.
Or stronger legs.
Good idea. Gym class will help.
You're already late.
Oh no, let's hurry.
The bus is here.
Wait for me.
Hurry up, John.
I'm coming.
You made it.
Just in time.
Great job, partner.
Team Perfect Bags wins again.
Always.